Dried TNT. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the dark side or the pros and cons of the AutoLiker. So as I have told you in my previous video about that website like for like, which you can exchange likes for your likes. So first open that website, type here like for like, press enter, and then go to your sign in and type the username and that password. I am blurring that username and password for privacy issue. So as you will log in, you will find here auto like. So it is already switched on. So when you switched off, you will not receive any like, but when you switch it on, the like for like app or a website will auto like the photos which you haven't seen. So close this Chrome browser and open your Instagram. So open your profile, type here on that three buttons, sorry icon, and go on to post you have liked. This is the main thing. Go on to post you have liked. Open it. So now here are the posts that you have liked. So it is auto like that. I haven't seen the photos or I haven't liked it personally. It is automatically liked. So it is the photos that I have liked, but I don't know when I have liked, but it is already liked. So because of this auto liker, my photos has been liked automatically. I don't know about the photos. So this is the dark side of auto liker, that your entire profile you are giving into the hands of that website. So kindly please don't use unless it is very urgent, or what you can say, it is on your basis, that please don't do this. So this was a dark side, a short video about that auto liker. So thank you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Thanks for watching.